A very good morning, aspirants. Welcome back to our channel MPSC Easy Learning. In today's lecture dated 6th of May, we'll be covering the most important current affair questions of the day. Our session consists of 8 to 10 questions from specific Maharashtra, India and world issues. And if during the lecture, while covering the topic, any question has been asked in previous years, we'll be covering that. And with analysis perspective, which questions or points are important for the upcoming exam, we'll be covering that as well. So let's start with question number 1. Question number 1. As per the Forbes list 2023, who is the highest paid athlete? Option A, Cristiano Ronaldo. Option B, Lionel Messi. ऑप्शन सी विराट कोहली या ऑप्शन डी महेंद्र सिंह धोनी. आपका सही आंसर है ऑप्शन ए क्रिस्टियानो रोनाल्डो. सो रोनाल्डो इज द हाईएस्ट पेड एथलीट एज पर द फोर्ब्स लिस्ट of 2023. Here I have added certain important points about the players. And the top 3 highest paid athletes as per the Forbes list are: first is Cristiano Ronaldo, second is Lionel Messi, and third is Kylian. Cristiano Ronaldo, right now he plays for Al Nassr club of Saudi Arabia. Before Al Nassr, he used to play for Manchester United. Lionel Messi, he has been awarded with the FIFA Player of the Year award and he belongs to Argentina. In SSC MTS, just yesterday a question on Lionel Messi was asked that Lionel Messi is related to which sport? So he is related to the sport of football. And third one is Kylian. In the FIFA 2023, he won the Golden Boot Award. The Golden Boot Award was asked in Geoscientist UPSC this year, that who has won the Golden Boot Award in the FIFA. So it is Kylian. Question number 2. FAME scheme has been launched by which ministry? Option A, Ministry of Textile. Option B, Ministry of Heavy Industries. Option C, Ministry of MSME. या option D, sorry मैंने इधर ऐड नहीं किया. So your right answer is option B, Ministry of Heavy Industries. So the FAME scheme is related to the Ministry of Heavy Industries. So what exactly is FAME scheme? FAME का full form ये है Faster Adoption and Manufacturing of Electric Vehicles. Okay, it was launched in which year? It was launched in the year of 2015. What are the aims of the scheme? कि जो electric vehicles के जो manufacture करते हैं, so you have to motivate them in a way to incentivize. Second, to reduce vehicle emissions and thus reduce air pollution. And third is to achieve 30% of usage of electric vehicles by 2030. इसका मतलब कि 2030 तक एटलीस्ट 30% ऑफ द पॉपुलेशन शुड बी यूजिंग इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल्स. एंड द फेज 2 जो ये स्कीम का है, इट हैज बीन एक्सटेंडेड टिल 2024. That is the reason FAME scheme was in news recently. And in the phase 2, what does the scheme focuses on? The scheme focuses on electrification of public and shared transportation. Question number 3. Which state is the most innovative state as per the survey of on the degree of innovation? Option A, Maharashtra. Option B, UP. Option C, Karnataka या option D, MP. आपका सही जवाब है कर्नाटका. So according to the survey on the degree of innovation, Karnataka has ranked first. That is, it is the most innovative state, which is followed by Telangana and Tamil Nadu. So first rank is Karnataka, second rank is Telangana, third rank is Tamil Nadu and Maharashtra ranks fourth. और यूनियन टेरिटरी में कौन सा सबसे इनोवेटिव है? सो दैट इज दादरा एंड नगर हवेली. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. हु इज नोन एज अ गॉडफादर ऑफ एआई? ऑप्शन ए सुंदर पिचई, ऑप्शन बी जॉफ्रे हिंटन, ऑप्शन सी लैरी पेज या ऑप्शन डी सर्जे ब्रिन. आपका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन बी जेफरी हिंटन. Geoffrey Hinton is known as the godfather of AI and he has also won a Nobel Prize in computing. Here, I have mentioned it over here. And he has played a very important role in the foundation of artificial technology. Some important points in regards to Google are founder कौन है? Larry Page and Sergey Brin. Headquarter है USA. In which year was it founded? It was founded on the 4th September 1998. और इसके CEO कौन है? All of us knows this, Sundar Pichai. Question number 5. Which educational institution has launched the portal CU Chayan? Option A CBSE, ऑप्शन बी यूजीसी, ऑप्शन सी आईसीएसई या ऑप्शन डी यूपीएससी. आपका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन बी यूजीसी. सो यूजीसी हैज लॉन्च्ड द पोर्टल सीयू चयन. So what does the portal CU Chayan actually provide? So why was it started? It was started for the purpose of it is a single unified place. आपको एक पोर्टल पे वैकेंसी के नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाएंगी, जॉब एडवर्टाइजमेंट मिल जाएगा, पोस्टिंग मिल जाएगी, एंड इट इज अ वेरी ट्रांसपेरेंट प्लेटफॉर्म. लाइक देर इज नथिंग ओपेक, यू कैन क्लियरली अंडरस्टैंड कहाँ पे वैकेंसी है, कहाँ पे नहीं है, एंड दैट इज द वे हाउ द वैकेंसी विल बी फुलफिल्ड टू द अर्लीस्ट. व्हाट इज द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ यूजीसी? यूजीसी का फुल फॉर्म है यूनिवर्सिटी ग्रांट कमीशन. हेडक्वार्टर है न्यू दिल्ली एंड द करंट चेयरमैन ऑफ यूजीसी इज जगदीश कुमार. द फर्स्ट फीमेल chairman of UGC was Shanika Hirumburgema. Pariksha Sangam portal also was in news recently. So Pariksha Sangam portal was launched by whom? It was launched by CBSE. और ये पोर्टल पे आपको सारे बोर्ड के पेपर्स, सैम्पल पेपर्स, ऐसे सब चीजें उनके पोर्टल पे आपको मिल जाएगी. So that is the purpose of Pariksha Sangam portal. Question number 6. Who has become the first Indian to participate in the FIM World Junior GP Championship? Option A Jeffrey Emanuel, option B Larry Page, option C Sergey Brin या option D Jagdish Kumar. Your right answer is option A Jeffrey Emanuel. So Jeffrey Emanuel has become the first Indian to participate in the FIM World Junior GP Championship. Next question number 7. Which sports is Shabnim Ismail related to? Option A chess, option B tennis, option C cricket या option D wrestling. आपका सही जवाब है option C cricket. So Shabnim Ismail is related to the sport of cricket and she is a South African player. Shabnim Ismail is in news because she has recently announced her retirement. And she had created a history in this World Cup जब वो खेली थी. She made this history as the fastest bowler of the women's cricket. और speed कितना था? 128 किलोमीटर per hour. These are certain important points about her. Question number 8 and the last question. Recently, the death of a rare black tiger was reported in which tiger reserve? Option A Corbett, option B Pench, option C Orang या option D Simlipal. आपका सही जवाब है option D Simlipal. So Simlipal के टाइगर रिजर्व में रिसेंटली अ ब्लैक टाइगर डेथ वाज नोटेड. इससे ये इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाता है कि महाराष्ट्र कितने टाइगर रिजर्व्स है? महाराष्ट्र में है 6 टाइगर रिजर्व्स. एंड वेयर आर दे? एट मेलघाट, ताडोबा, पेंच, सह्याद्री, नवेगांव नागजीरा एंड बोर. देर आर टोटल और इंडिया के पर्सपेक्टिव से कितने टाइगर रिजर्व है? इंडिया के पर्सपेक्टिव से है 54 टाइगर रिजर्व्स. एंड द मोस्ट रिसेंट टाइगर रिजर्व्स डिक्लेयर्ड आर गुरु घसीदास नेशनल पार्क एंड तमोर पिंगला वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी. और ये दोनों है किधर? ये दोनों है छत्तीसगढ़ में. अ क्वेश्चन ऑन गुरु घसीदास नेशनल पार्क was asked in UPSC CISF recently. कि where is this located? It was a very basic question that Guru Ghasidas National Park is located in which state? So it is located in the state of Chhattisgarh. The Project Tiger, which was launched in the year 1973, उसका मोटिव क्या था? टू प्रमोट द कंजर्वेशन ऑफ द टाइगर्स. एंड एज पर द लेटेस्ट टाइगर सेंसस 31967 tigers are found in India and they have increased by 200. और टाइगर सेंसस हम कितने सालों में कराते हैं? हम कराते हैं every 4 years में. Here I have mentioned a question. Do let me know the answers in the quiz section. That how many years has the project Tiger completed in 2023? Some important tiger reserves in India. फर्स्ट ये है सबसे पहला टाइगर रिजर्व इंडिया का, बंदीपुर. वेयर इज बंदीपुर? बंदीपुर टाइगर रिजर्व इज लोकेटेड इन उत्तराखंड. कॉर्बे, कॉर्बे इज लोकेटेड इन आसाम. हियर व्हाट वी नीड टू नो, कॉर्बे को अर्लियर हम क्या बोलते थे? हम इसका पहला नाम था हेले नेशनल पार्क. एंड अ क्वेश्चन ऑन दिस दैट व्हाट वाज कॉर्बे नोन एज अर्लियर वाज आस्क्ड इन केरला पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन. Where is Manas Reserve, Tiger Reserve located? It is located in MP. काजीरंगा कहाँ पे है? काजीरंगा है आसाम में. A question on this was asked in Uttar Pradesh Public Service Commission that where is Kaziranga located? It is located in Assam. Orang National Park, Orang Tiger Reserve जो है ये located है आपका आसाम में. Now and the last one, Ranthambore National Park is located in Rajasthan. Which state has the most tigers in the country? It is the state of Madhya Pradesh. And when is International Tiger Day celebrated? It is celebrated every year on the 29th of July. और ये जो डेज है ये पूछा गया था आरआरबी के मेंस के पेपर में, रेलवे रिक्रूटमेंट बोर्ड, that when was International Tiger Day celebrated. Here I have mentioned a question about this, that what was Orang National Park earlier known as. A question of this kind was asked in MPSC recently. So do let me know the answers in the comment section. Here I have mentioned certain questions from Maharashtra history, Maharashtra geography, economics and science perspective. इससे आपका GS का revision भी होता चला जाएगा. We are also available on Instagram and on Telegram. If you all wish, you all can definitely get in touch with us, and on Telegram we upload daily quiz as well. If you have liked today's lecture or you have any constructive suggestion, demands or doubts, do let us know in the comment section. We will definitely look into it. Thank you for watching. I hope you all have a great day ahead. Jai Hind.